Hey, what's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing one of my favorite Whitesnake songs. I don't think they wrote it, but the way they did it's fantastic. I love it. So let's go. We're in A minor, standard tuning. Some people play the lick here. And that's fine on electric guitar, but since we're doing acoustic, let's do it here. Sounds better. So basically we have an A minor 7. First finger, second finger. And we want to do pull off D to E. And then we want to grab a D major, this inversion, so that's 4, 2, 3. And try to let the A string ring while you do that. One more note there, and then grab the D, slide up from E here. Alright, and then we're gonna go to D minor and do the same thing. So that's a D minor 7. So that's going to be open G to A, and then 1, 1. And then slide up to a G major. Back to A. Okay, so that's the verse chords. And then the end of the verses, we want an F major 7. So that's 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1, and open E to D minor 7 to A minor. And then in the beginning, we have that lick. That's only once in the beginning, and then at the end they do that. Open 3, 5, 3, 5, 3. And one guitar is playing F major 7 here, D minor 7 here, and A minor. That's the funk guitar that goes. That's A minor triad to B minor triad. We have a D minor triad. F major 7, D minor 7, A minor. Okay, and then we have the bridge, A minor, C major, D minor, A minor, C, D minor, G major. Now we're gonna hit an F major to C. Ends with a B over C there. That's first finger, B string, first fret, and B here on the A, second fret. So let's do it from F. Okay, cool. So that's all the parts for the verses and the bridge, and I showed you the high guitars playing that funky A minor to B here. We got the ending, ends with D minor, D minor, that's 2 times D minor to E. I don't know, you gotta check that. Alright, so that's it. Let's review before we hang up the phone. Main lick, pull on E from D and play downstrokes. Pick downstroke to B string and move that up to a D major. Try it. And then same thing over D minor. D minor 7 to G major, try it. And then F major 7, D minor 7, A minor. And then the bridge, A minor, C, D minor, G, A minor, C, D minor, G, F, C, B over C. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Love the song. Awesome. I'll see you tomorrow with more great hits. Be safe. Thank you.